Hurricane Beryl mashed up Jamaica, happening now.
Mommy, let's go and swim.
Remains just lose them room.
This is my final update for this evening. We've lost power. It is now 4:53 and my yard, guys. I'm gonna try to conserve my phone battery. I do have backup chargers, but I'm not sure how long the electricity will be out for. But this is my 4:54 p.m. update.
Yo! Two people
So here we are, Sandals, Jamaica, South Coast. Wanted to give another update. It's 6:02. It'll be dark soon. I won't be able to see anything, but not sure if the eye has passed yet. It did get a little calmer just a bit ago, but starting to get a little bit of lightning, which I understand is typical with this part of the storm. So not sure if the eye has passed us yet, but here where we are right now, I think all in all, doesn't look like too much damage has happened from what we can tell. I don't know if you can see the beach, but rain's coming down pretty good. But again, we're still hunkered down here. Of course, we'll be all night. Wanted to give a new update.
really shining, is it? Hanging up.
Okay, so it's 6:52. It's actually, we're Sandals, South Coast, Jamaica. It's going to get too dark soon for me to make any more updates, so I just wanted to do this last one for tonight. It's not quite as intense as it was just a little bit earlier in my last one. If you can see the water back there, it's breaking pretty good. It really hasn't been doing that. I honestly don't know if the eye has passed, or if, honestly, I just have no idea how much longer we have. So, well, God, that sounded terrible, but how much longer of the storm? So, but yeah, the waves are, the ocean's pretty crazy out there. But thanks for all the comments, the likes, all the new follows. I'll keep you updated in the morning. We'll see what it's like. Thanks, TikTok.
This is the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. There's a few snapped branches, as you can see, but to be honest, very minimal damage, luckily. From this side of the hotel anyway. We've not been outside, it's still 5 a.m. We don't know what the damages are. Everything looks calm down there. The sea looks relatively calm. The pools look good. So hopefully it'll be a quick clean up and we can get back up there.
Good morning, just checking in from Sandals Thumbs River the day after Hurricane Beryl came through. As you can see, the ocean has greatly calmed down from yesterday. There is some debris that came up on to the beach, of course. The water came up as far as the pool back here. But everybody's doing really good. Not a lot of damage that we can see, just some palm fronds have come down, a couple branches here and there, but everybody is doing well. We're just trying to figure out the airport situation today, if we're gonna be able to get home. But overall, we're doing good, and I hope you guys are having a good day so far.